Let's take a look at some of the JavaScript functions. As you can see, I have created an array over here. It has some string elements in it, and let's do the console.log so that we can see if it has been printed. Yeah, it has been printed on the screen. Okay, and if so, here's the first function. I would like you to see that array.join. If you do array.join and pass and something like star, so what it will do, it will join the array elements and like add the star in between of them. I'll just quickly run this and you can see it. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, and okay, now there's one other function to sort the array. So sorting of array is like this is a string array of a string, so it will sort the array in alphabetical manner. If there's an array with numbers in it, num array, let's say, and let's give some number, and let's sort this num array, and we can see, let's run it, we can see it is being sorted. And if you want to sort it in reverse manner, we can just do this. Yeah, okay, no, okay, this is not sorted in reverse manner. It has just reversed the array. Like this is the array like 99 44 33 88, and we have reversed the array. If you want to sort it in reverse manner, then we have to first sort it and then reverse it. Now it will be sorted first and then reversed. See, 99 88 44 33. Okay, so this is one. Okay, let's do this. We can add let's see how to add an element in array. Okay, let's try to do this. Let's add the here element here, and let's try to push print it now. I hope this works. Yeah. So we just have to do the push, and then we can see it is being added. Okay, let's try to pop it. Pop as in we can remove the last element. So for now, array is this again, and if we do the pop, it will like JavaScript will be popped out. Let's see if it had popped out. Yes, as we can see, it has been popped out. Alright, there's one more thing. If we want to print the length of an array, we just have to do this. We can see the array, the length of array is 3 after popping the element. If we don't pop, it will be 4 because 1 2 3 4, this is the length of an array. Okay, uh, okay, there's one more function in JavaScript for array. Let's do this. Okay, let's do it outside the console.log, otherwise it would give us an error again. Yeah, let's print the array now. Let's see. So what it does is array.shift does is it removes the first element of an array and assigns the like index, it changes the index, it lowers the index of every other uh, element in the array. So meaning when I do array.shift, C++ is at first sorry, at index 1, its index will be 0. Python is at index 2, its index will be 1, and similarly JavaScript is at index 3, its index will be 2. So after array.shift we get this. And if we do array.unshift, and if we add an element here like TypeScript, let's see what happens then. We can see TypeScript is being added at the very front of the array with unshift. So these are two more array functions. What else is there? So if you want to create if you want to create another array which will have the existing element of existing array, do you want to add some more element to it? So we can do it this way. I have created an array 2 over here. It has we are concatenating that array with one more element, and when we are console.logging this element, we can see it is being it is printing Java, C++, Java, Python, Java, C++, Python, JavaScript, and TypeScript. So TypeScript we have added to at the end. Let's check if we can change the value of a particular element at particular index. Let's try to give let's try to change this element. It is at index 0, right? So let's try to give some other value to 0th index. Let's now try to print it. Yes, so this is the way we can change the value of an element at some specific index. Yeah, so there's this function called splice. What it does is it let's say 2 1, let's give an element as TypeScript. Let's see what happens now. So what it does, so this is the number of, so this is the position, and this tells us how many items we have to remove from the existing array. So, and this is the new element which we want to add. So at the second index, at 2th index, so this is 0, 1 and 2. So at the index 2 it will replace it will replace Python with TypeScript, and as we have mentioned, to remove one element at this position. So Python has been removed, and it has been and TypeScript has been added at index 2. So if we do not want to remove anything, if we just keep it 0, let's see what happens then. So what happens then is it adds the TypeScript element at index 2, but it does not remove any element from the existing array. Let's try to add one more. Now let's see what happens. So it adds two elements, as you can see. Let's try to add it at uh, 1st position. So it will add these two elements after Java TypeScript TS. Let's say we want to remove three elements after 1st position. Okay, so let's see what happens. So what it does is it goes to 1st position. So this is index 1 first, as in I mean to say at index 1 it goes to index 1. It is on index 1 and it removes three elements after that. So 1 2 3, it removes three elements and adds these two elements after that. I hope you get this array dot slice. Yeah, that's about it.